Hello everybody, welcome back to Colorado. This is Tina. Have you ever met this kind of problem during printing that the regular stripes comes out on the image you printed? So how and why cause this problem? Let's talk about it. And the main reasons about three. First, it is the ink problem. And second one, it might be the printhead nozzle problem. And the third one, it might be the environment. And talk about these inks, and you have to be sure that the ink must be under the environment of the temperature during 20 to 28 degrees. And low temperature will impact the flowing of the ink. So it might be clog the nozzles during printing and cause that stripy image coming out. And then you have to be sure that the ink will have a good quality and also cannot be mixed up with any blend of the brand of the inks. And also the inks has the ex-factory date here mentioned and ensure that is within the expiry date. And next you must consider about the head problem. Something clogged on the nozzles of the head, maybe the fibers or the dust. So you have to use the non-woven fabric or the cleaning solution to wipe the print head softly. So how to avoid this kind of stripy things ruin your image during printing? And then you have to be sure, first step, before you start running with the machine, ensure the whole environment is under the degree of 20 to 28. And the humidity is during 40 to 60%. So open the So running with the AC, that is very important to get your guarantee for your environment temperature. And then start with the printer and do the cleaning and checking with the head status. Checking the head status and then do the cleaning and ensure the head nozzles spray normally. And during printing, ensure that once the operator leaves and the head and the capping close properly. Cannot be that the print head dried. That is very important. And after printing, before you finish your work, ensure here the print head and the capping close properly. Here it must be closed properly. If you will get this machine rest for a long time, and also make sure that use the cleaning solution with a few drops on the capping and close the print head with the capping properly. Ensure your print head is under always the wet environment. All in all, that is the tips for you to stop the stripy coming again. Hope that helps you. Okay, if you like it, just subscribe us and follow us. See you next time. Bye.